Hi everyone, this is Deepthi Stephens and welcome back to another video at Mudra Craft Stamps YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of heat embossing. Heat embossing is a fun and cool technique that allows you to create a slightly raised image on your project. To create a heat embossed project, you will need several supplies. I'm using clear stamps from Mudra. You can absolutely use any kind of stamps you have in your stash. A Versamark Ink Pad, which is a clear, sticky and slow drying ink. Because of its stickiness and longer dry time, this Versamark Ink Pad is perfect for holding embossing powder. Embossing powder made up of fine powdered granules that quickly melt and fuse when heat is applied with a heat tool. Embossing powders come in a variety of colors and textures and extra fine grained powders. Anti-static tool. These are powder-filled sachets and powder-filled containers help prevent stray particles of embossing powder from sticking to unwanted areas on the cardstock. Heated tool is a quick heating electric tool that can produce a lot of heat. You must be very cautious while dealing with this tool because you may burn your fingers. If you don't have a heat gun, you could use an iron box or tawa to heat emboss your image. To heat emboss an image onto your project, first prep the card base with an anti-static powder tool. Next, ink up the stamp with Versamark ink, stamp onto your paper and pour embossing powder on top. Embossing powder particles will stick to the ink and the rest of the powder will just fall off. Be sure to have a sheet of paper underneath to catch the excess embossing powder and pour it back into the jar. Next, use your heat gun and watch the beautiful result. It's just like a magic. You can heat emboss a sentiment, an image, a background, a solid image and an outline image. Thanks so much for joining us today for the quick look at basics of heat embossing. Have fun and see you next time. Bye bye.